Hello there. I was able to have a look at your concern, and the reason why you're not able to create a password. So basically, we'll just test this out first. Um, okay, let us replicate. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, I was able to have a look at your concern, and I was able to replicate that your users are not automatically logged in, because by default when you create a user on WordPress, you should be automatically logged in. And let me test your form in on an incognito window. So let me just switch to that. There we go. And we'll use a temporary email from tempmail.org. I was able to replicate that. Instead of creating a password, it still sends you an email to set a password instead of using the password that you entered here. So let's just say it's just password, and this should redirect to the course. That you're still logged out of, and when we put in the email and password that we use, we actually get the wrong password warning. And when we go to our email, okay, it's not yet there. Let me refresh. But sooner or later, you would receive an email asking you to set the password, which should not me. So okay, we're not gonna wait for it, but yeah, I was able to replicate that. Let me go back to your editor here. Okay, where is your... Okay, there we go. Nope. One second. Okay, there we go. So this is your form, and when I inspected the form and I went to the values um, that your form is sending to the thank you page, I noticed that it's only sending 3 variables: the name, the email, and password, or the confirm password. In order for your confirm password to know that you have already signed up, you have to send everything here. So what I did in order to solve that is to just remove these two elements and then re-add them back. So I don't know for what reason why those two elements or two variables are not added. And okay, by the way, let's set this to required and add, or maybe you, during the change, you may have changed it somewhere along the way and it got removed, but this should still be passed on to the thank you page, and you should still be automatically logged in. For some reason the password is not passed on, so we reset that, and now we get the password and the confirm password passed onto the thank you page. So let's test this out and see if you are automatically logged in. So let's switch this to, okay, this one. Go back here, and okay, so yeah, this is actually the email from the sign up that we used earlier. So we're going to use another email, so let's use that. Copy that. Let's do another test. Email, password. Okay, it should be password. You can, by the way, you can get rid of all these additional emails that are this temporary emails that I've used to sign up. So there we go. We are able to automatically log in because we were able to pass the password to this thank you page, so that the thank you page knows that you've already logged in. So we can start the course like we should, and it's working. Okay. Aside from the video, I guess the video isn't working because you have to log into Vimeo. Yeah, it's a private video. But yeah, basically we got the user automatically logged in after signing up. So yeah, when you're creating forms, you have to make sure that you pass on the password and the confirm password to the thank you page, so that the user will be automatically logged in. Sorry, where's that? Here. You have to make sure that the fields are passed on to the next page. So that's it. This should be working. I'm going to save this so to save you the trouble. So have a great day. Cheers.